A little olive oil on there, non-stick. So what are we doing? What is going on? I'll tell you. Who likes French fries? Yeah, seriously. Who likes French fries? That's what's going on. Okay? These are just frozen fries. Whatever. They're on the grill. There they are, folks, on the grill. It's going to take about 25 minutes. Got it set about 400, 4¼ Boom. Yeah. So take that. That's where we're starting. So who likes mac and cheese? There we go. Step 2. Let's give this a quick little stir. That's right, that's right. Mac and cheese, French fries. Mac and cheese, French fries. Now what goes with that? I have this whole section here just ready to go. What's it gonna be? You'll see. Okay, there we go. A little oil on the grill. Ah! Non-stick, right? Pretty simple stuff. So what are we putting on there, folks? Mac and cheese, fries, and that's right, burgers. Bam! Pretzel buns. There we go, baby. Oh yeah. All right, let's do a little butter on these things, right? Look at that, just a little butter. Nothing crazy. All right. Oh yeah. You see that? You see that? Let's grill them up a bit. These burgers are just about done. Fries are done. We got mac and cheese over here. What are we going to do with that? I'll show you. Here we go. You ready? That's right. My grass does not like the heat. And give it a little shake. Get rid of some of that moisture. Back in. There we go. So here we go, folks. The goodness. Oh, this is so delicious. Who doesn't love mac and cheese? Burgers, fries. This is crazy, right? Nope, pretty awesome. Not crazy. Not bad one-handed, huh? I think I got most of it. That's some talent there. All right, let's stir this up. Now, take some talent to do it one-handed. Oh yeah. Okay, we'll stir that up. We're gonna let it sit a minute. Okay, here we go, folks. Are you ready for this? Okay, let's do this. All right, we're gonna take a couple rolls. Got some pretzel rolls here with a little bit of color, not a lot, just a little, doesn't matter. Okay. All right, you ready for the burgers? Well, let's do that. Nope, sorry. We're doing a little of this. That's right. Yep. Uh-huh. That's what we're talking about. Yeah, mac and cheese buns. Are you ready? Now what? Now what's going to happen? A little bit more, not a lot, just a little. You know, put a few kernels on there, all right? Okay, here's the beauty of this right now. Are you ready? That's right. Fries. Let's get them on there. That's right, folks. French fries. We're just going to stack them, pack them. Hold on. We have an issue with this burger. It's rounded on top. I don't like that. Okay. Now,
thank you.
this one over here, done, son. There we go. This one over here, this ain't done. Are you ready? Yep, that's right. Chili cheese fries, mac and chili cheese fries. Mac and cheese. Boom. Ah, there you go. Is that not crazy? Is that not crazy or what? Hey folks, look at that. Amazing. Yeah, but one thing I'm going to do different next time is a flat layer of fries on the bottom, nice and neat. Little mac and cheese, burger, flat layer of fries, mac and cheese, and then I'm going to put the chili on top. Okay, are you ready? This is ridiculous. This is insane. Mac and cheese. Crazy. Oh, guys. Oh, man. Well, I just seasoned them up as normal. French fries, a little salt, Macaroni and cheese, same thing. Burger, same thing. My God. Are you ready? I'm not sure about this next one. Oh my God. Not sure if I can do it. I'm trying. Here we go. Oh, this is going to be awesome. Can you see that? Are you ready? Are you ready? Can you handle this? I bet you can't. Oh my God. Oh, that's way better. I love chili cheese fries. Chili mac and cheese and a burger and a pretzel on a pretzel bun. Oh my God. Somebody dared me to do this. All right. I'm not scared. Try it. That's right. Mac and cheese, fries, burger, pretzel buns, chili, seasonings. This is amazing. So what do we call this? The Mac Attack? Chili cheese fries Mac burger. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button. Click the bell so you get all my notifications. Thanks for watching. Flamethrower Grill. I'm going chili. I'm going for the chili again, folks. You have a nice day. Enjoy.